In Lesson 2.7, we'll be looking at the example, how much does the price of a Ford F-150 vary from the expected? We'll be interpreting S, the standard deviation of the residuals. In Lesson 2.5, we use the least squares regression line to model the relationship between the price of a Ford F-150 and the number of miles it had been driven. The standard deviation of the residuals for this model is S equals $5,740. Interpret this value. So if you remember from the reading, the standard deviation of the residuals, the symbol for this is S, and it measures the size of a typical residual. That is, S measures the typical distance between the actual Y values and the predicted Y values. For us, our Y values here are the prices of the Ford F-150. So to interpret this, this tells us that the actual price of a Ford F-150, that's our Y value, is typically about $5,740 away from its predicted price using the least squares regression line, with X being miles driven. So again, our standard deviation of the residuals is telling us how far away the actual Y values are from the predicted Y values. So for us, with the price of a Ford F-150, they differ by about $5,740. For additional practice, please try exercise 5.